First ball of the innings. What a start! Unbelievable! Wicket of the first ball. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
Oh, shot, but only a single. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captains. Missed that completely. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
Straight up in the air, and that's a 6.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game.
Fielders outside the inner circle.
He hit the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
That is 6. That is just magnificent batting.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Plays and misses. Spinner into the action from the other end.
There is a fielder at cover. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
And he helps himself to a 6. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
Can he do it again?
Oh, that must have really hurt.
They would definitely have a score in their mind.
That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. That is a very quick signal taken. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
There is a fielder at cover. That's 6. He picked up the length very early.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
Edge, and it's gone for 4.
Last ball of the innings coming up. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get batted up for the chase.